Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. We got another episode here. We are heading to
the Anza State Park.
For what?
Camping?
That's right. We are going camping in Anza. We're gonna meet up with some friends and just hang out and kind of relax. Alright, so we're here at Borrego Springs. Just went through the small town where the roundabout is, and we are now making our way to Fish Creek. Alright everyone, we're here at the trailhead of Fish Creek. Fred's airing down right now. I'd air down too, but I don't have an air compressor yet. Well, I do, but it's not installed yet. So no air down for me. I'll just take it slow. Hey, what's up, everyone? We're here at the at our camp spot here in Anza. Kids are going out right here to the we call that spot the internet cafe, so we can get a bit of a signal to send out a text message.
I stepped on it.
Camper's all set up. I'm gonna set up the diesel heater in a bit, but alright, so this window and screen holds this panel into place, and I got my vent right here and the controller. So I'll just tuck that in right there, and then when it gets cold later tonight, I'll turn it on. Who this?
Who this? Is this you? Huh?
The kids here?
No kids? No, the kids are here. No Donna?
What's up?
Oh, dude. Hey, relax. Walk that. Jojo.
What's happening?
Not much. How are you guys?
Alright, alright.
Relax.
I haven't really cooked like at camp lately.
Controller makes
What are you eating there, Maxwell?
characters: spam, rice, eggs, and longanisa.
What you eating there?
Ramen.
Ramen. Alright, so we're just packing up. We're about to leave camp in a few minutes. What's up? What's up?
What's up, man?
I got this. Cheese. Cheese.
Alright, we're all loaded up. Kids are exchanging their gamer tags. And then we're out. Alright, let's go.
Wait, I'm.
So right here we got a crashed drone.
Everything is content. Everything is content. Yeah, hey, you guys try to catch my ball if I ever roll. As long as I don't hit my head. Alright?
I got you.
Alright. As long as I don't hit my head.
So don't throw rocks on this, man.
Yeah.
Hey,
Careful when you pull up.
hug the wall, dude. Put all your weight on the wall. Put all your weight on the wall. Like, slide on that shit.
Careful of the rocks you choose to hold on to.
Yeah, man. We found it, so just go slow. Stay close to the wall. There you go. Chee!
Now, how the hell get
Damn.
it down, dude?
How's the plates?
Everything is
Yeah.
content.
Dude, it's scary going down now.
Oh, I know. Well, you gotta.
Does it fly still?
Nah, blades are done.
Try, give my,
What?
Where is it?
dog, it's just fucking scary now. Going down.
Well, you can't see
Alex, you got your ladder?
my ladder doesn't work.
Put the drone down. Let me try to fly it.
Okay, hold on. Now go up.
Woo!
Okay.
Yeah, I'll hold it. I'll hold it.
Now just bring it down.
I'll just bring it down. Just get on your stomach, dude. Yeah.
Okay. So
You're almost there.
Okay, that's the ladder. That's the ladder. Is he on the ladder? Okay. Get on your belly. Get on your belly. Don't kick. Get on your belly.
Okay, you look good, dude. You look good.
And touch.
The ladder looks planted where it is.
It's leaning on the wall.
Okay.
Just don't, yeah.
I kind of feel better now.
Yeah.
That's the hardest part. Is that one spot. Or sliding down. Watch out.
Watch where you step.
Okay.
Okay, you good?
That's fucking scary. I can imagine your ass. I can imagine your ass.
I ain't gonna do that. I was like, ooh, we might have a recon trip. Recovery trip, dude. No, that's content, bro.
You gotta save the
I was just
content.
thinking about the footage.
Oh, careful. Don't
Yeah,
slip.
no. Okay, grab this.
Here.
Yeah, it's just a person. Okay, yeah, that's it.
Don't jump.
With the roll,
Dude.
roll.
Ladder.
Oh, were you recording?
I hope so.
Oh, dude, that hurts.
Yeah, I was like, dude,
Thanks, guys.
Like, don't jump, dude.
Saved my life. I wanted that. Everything's content.
Everything is content.
Oh, shit. Salamat, kuyas.
Damn, Kelly actually saw it.
Eagle
Yeah.
eye.
The noise.
Oh, the deaf guy actually was able to hear it.
Alright, everyone. That's a wrap on this episode. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.